Let me show you how to check the battery cycle count on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're wondering how your battery life is doing, I'm going to show you how to check that cycle count and compare it to where it should be. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is get into the settings of your iPhone. If you've updated to the latest version, it's currently at iOS 26. The cycle count is now built into the settings of your phone. So all you need to do from here is just go into the battery section. You can see I'm at 75%. It'll give you statistics around your battery usage today. But if you scroll down, you're going to look for the battery health here. And it says the battery health is normal. And the cycle count, in my case, is 299. Now, if we hit learn more here, it walks us through what this means. And specifically, it says one charge cycle is completed if you've discharged the equivalent of 100% of your battery's capacity. So this is every time your iPhone is discharged 100%. And currently, you can also see your maximum capacity. I'm at 94%. Usually levels off around 85% after a few years. This iPhone is about a year old.